Good day, Safe Fleet partners, and Happy New Year. Hey, it's 2018. We've just closed the doors on a very, very positive 2017 at Safe Fleet, and 2018 looks no different. Positive, upswing, continuous growth, more customers, more products, greater business for us all. One of the things that's really exciting about what's going on right now is that through November, U.S. construction has seen 4 consecutive months of growth. That's a wow for both of us. But we've got some really exciting things on the horizon, and I need to preview those with you today. The 2018 NTEA Work Truck Show, held in Indianapolis, Indiana, is less than 45 days away. This is our show. It's a show where you need to be. It's a show where you can preview our new exciting products that we're launching, a lot of the next generation products, as well as new technologies and solutions in the safety aspect of vocational offerings in the work truck vertical. Very, very exciting. One of the products that you'll be able to see at this event is our next generation Ergo Rack with smart crossbar technology. Simply the most advanced rack technology. This product is a dynamic solution which meets many of the demands from the end users to the fleets to the fleet management companies. This is a product that's ship throughable, meets the clearances required in a rail car situation, but also maybe potentially in parkades, covered parking, and maybe even your garage. I encourage you to take a look at this product. The other product that's really exciting in our portfolio today is the Spliced Conduit Tube. The Spliced Conduit Tube is an extraordinary solution, but we opted to change the design to meet the challenges that we're all faced when it comes to freight. The design of the Kondu tube was quite frankly very, very simplistic, but also complementary to you, the installation, as well as your end user, for a couple of reasons. Number one, we build it in 8, 10, and 12-foot lengths. And because it's a 2-piece system, it allows us to reduce the complexity and the size of the package necessary to ship the product. This now makes our offering UPSable, a great solution, a lot less money, better to inventory, easier to stack in its package, all for the benefit of controlled costs and meeting the customer's demands faster. These products are quite simply all tied in to many of our other Safe Fleet product offerings, and they work in cooperation with some of the other adaptable components that can go on top of these products. Video, camera, our unique WorkPro lighting systems. These are all part of the Safe Fleet portfolio of solutions that you need to be getting in front of your customers by utilizing our salespeople, by making a phone call to us. So, as we now get very, very close to the pending regulation, as we know, of the FMVSS 111 safety standards, which is the requirement for rear view vision cameras, it's quite evident that people now are becoming more cognizant on the value of rearward observation and what's going on around you. Our Seon and our RVS solutions are perfect for your product offering portfolio that you provide for your customers today. So make sure that when you look at our products in our booth, you quiz our people. Ask them to demonstrate the product. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in Indianapolis. Make sure you reach out to me. Ask me what I can do for you. Thank you very much. The best of 2018 for you. Have a great day.